Hello everyone, I am your maths teacher Lakhan sir from Science Academy, Dub. So student, in today's lecture, we are going to start next practice set, that is 1.2, which is based on types of set and equal sets. So in the last lecture, we have already discussed types of sets and equal sets. So there are four types of set. First one is finite set, infinite set, empty or null set, and last one is singleton set. And last important point is what is equal set. All these points we had already discussed. Now we are going to start practice set 1.2 first question. So the question first is, decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Justify your answer. सो आपल्याला इथे तीन सेट दिलेले आहेत, सेट ए बी अँड सी. आउट ऑफ दिस थ्री सेट्स विच आर इक्वल सेट्स अँड विच आर नॉट हे आपल्याला तिथे सांगायचं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी व्हॉट इज इक्वल सेट. सपोज इफ ए अँड बी आर टू सेट्स, हे तुमच्याकडे दोन सेट आहेत असं कन्सिडर करा. इफ all the elements of set A are present in set B and all the elements of set B are present in set A, then both the sets are equal. म्हणजेच सेट A चे सगळे एलिमेंट हे B मध्ये प्रेझेंट आहेत and B चे सगळे एलिमेंट A मध्ये जर प्रेझेंट असतील, then we call it as a equal set. Similarly, here three sets are given. First of all, solve all these sets. That means write in listing method and then check out which are equal sets or which are not. Okay, so first of all, set A is all of x such that 3x minus 1 is equals to 2. म्हणजेच तुम्हाला हे इक्वेशन सॉल्व करायचं आणि x ची व्हॅल्यू काय करायची तुम्हाला इथे फाइंड आउट करायची. आता फर्स्ट set A is set of all x such that 3x minus 1 is equals to 2. Therefore, म्हणजेच आपल्याला हे इक्वेशन सॉल्व करायचं आणि x ची किंमत आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायची. So 3x minus 1 is equals to 2. So how to solve equation? To solve equation, first of all, collect the like terms. So minus 1 and 2 are like terms. So we get 3x is equals to 2 plus 1. Therefore, we get 3x is equals to 3. And finally, we get value of x as a 1. So we get set A as 1. Okay, now set B. Set B is set of all x such that x is natural number but x is neither prime and nor composite. x ची व्हॅल्यू ही नॅचरल नंबर असेल बट x ही प्राइम नंबर पण नसेल आणि कंपोजिट नंबर पण नसेल. सो असा कोणता नंबर आहे विच इज नॉट प्राइम और नॉट कंपोजिट. सो ओनली वन नंबर, that is 1 is a natural number but it is neither prime and nor composite. So set B मध्ये सुद्धा आपल्याला एलिमेंट्स किती मिळाले, फक्त 1 आहे. So set B is a set of all x such that x is a natural number but x is neither prime and nor composite. So number which is neither prime nor composite is 1. So set B मध्ये आपल्याला किती एलिमेंट मिळाले, 1. And finally set C. So set C is set of all x such that x belongs to a natural number. x किंमत ही काय आपली नॅचरल नंबर आहे बट ती व्हॅल्यू ही काय हवी आपल्याला, लेस दॅन 2 हवी. मग असा कोणता नॅचरल नंबर आहे विच इज लेस दॅन 2? सो 1. 1 is a natural number which is less than 2. Okay, now we write all the set by using listing method. Now decide which are equal sets or which are not. So here all the elements of set A are present in B, all the elements of set B are present in E. Also all the elements of sets are equal. म्हणजे सेट A चे सगळे एलिमेंट B मध्ये आहेत, B चे सगळे C मध्ये आहेत, C चे सगळे B मध्ये आहेत. म्हणजेच set A is equals to set B and set B is equals to set C. That means all the three sets are equal. म्हणजे तुमचे तीनही सेट्स काय आहेत, इक्वल. So what is equal set? All the elements of set A are present in B and B, and all the elements of set B are present in A, as well as all the elements of set B are present in C, as well as all the elements of C are present in B and A. That's why set A, B, C are equal set. So equal sets can be written as A is equals to B is equals to C, or it can also be written as A is equals to B, B is equals to C, and A is equals to C also. Now simply A is equals to B is equals to C. Okay. This is our first question. Question number second is decide whether set A and set B are equal sets. Give reason for your answer. इथे तुम्हाला तेच सांगायचे set A and set B are equal sets or not, and justify your answer. म्हणजे तुम्हाला तिथे answer सांगायचे. If yes, then why, and if not, then also why. Okay. First of all, write both the set by using listing method. Okay. So set A is even prime numbers. So we know that 2 is the only one even prime number. So set A contains only one element, that is 2. And set B is set of all x such that 7x minus 1 is equals to 30. That means here also we have to find the value of x. इथे तुम्हाला equation solve करायचे आणि x ची value find out करायची. Therefore 7x minus 1 is equals to 30. Okay, so this minus 1 goes to the right side, so we get 7x is equals to 13 plus 1. So we get 7x is equals to 14. So finally we get value of x as a 2. That means in set B also only one element is there, which is 2. Okay. Now we're writing both the set by using listing method. अशा प्रकारे आपण दोनही सेट लिस्टिंग मेथडने लिहिलेले आहेत. आता आपल्याला डिसाइड करायचंय whether they are equal sets or not. So when sets are equal, if all the elements of set A are present in set B and all the elements of set A are present in set A, म्हणजे A चे सगळे एलिमेंट हे आपल्याला B मध्ये हवेत आणि B चे सगळे एलिमेंट A मध्ये हवेत, then both the sets are equal. So here set A and set B both are equal sets. Therefore set A is equals to set B. किंवा the reason ला here all the elements of set A are present in B and all elements of set B are in set A. Therefore A is equals to B. Therefore set A is equals to set B. This is our question number second. Now we are going to start question number 3. So whenever they ask question whether the given two sets are equal sets or not, so first of all write these sets using listing method and then decide whether the set A and B are equal sets or not. Okay. So the question number 3 is which of the following are empty set and why? आता खाली तुम्हाला 3 सेट दिलेले आहेत, ते चेक करायचे whether they are empty or not. If they are empty, then why? If they are not empty, then also why? Okay. So first of all, tell me what is empty set. Empty set is also called as a null set, and it can be represented by only curly brackets or mathematical form phi. Okay. So empty set means what? A set which not contains only a single element. असा सेट की ज्याच्यामध्ये एकही एलिमेंट नाहीये, त्या सेटला आपण म्हणतो empty set. Okay. So the first set is set A is set of all A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. Is there any natural number which is less than 0? 0 पेक्षा एखादा लहान natural number आहे का? नाही. Because natural numbers are always starts from 1. Natural number हे 1 पासून स्टार्ट होतात. मग smaller than 0 एखादा natural number आहे का? नाही. That means set is a empty. So reason, there is no natural numbers less smaller than 0. Therefore सेट ए इज ए एम्प्टी सेट, म्हणून सेट ए काय आहे तुमचा एम्प्टी सेट. ओके, नाव सेट बी इज set of all x such that x square is equals to 0. So is there any number whose square is 0? असा कोणता नंबर आहे की त्याचा स्क्वेअर 0 आहे? Yes, square of 0 is 0. So set B contains only one element. म्हणून सेट मध्ये किती एलिमेंट आहेत? One element. So it is not a empty set, it is a singleton set. तो काय आहे? Singleton set आहे. Set contains one element, therefore set B is not empty. म्हणून सेट हा एम्प्टी सेट नाही, therefore set B is not empty सेट. क्वेश्चन मध्ये काय विचारलंय? सेट बी इज सेट ऑफ ऑल एक्स सच दैट स्क्वेअर ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल्स टू 0. म्हणजे असा कोणता नंबर आहे की त्याचा स्क्वेअर 0 आहे? So 0 is a number whose square is a 0. So set contains one element, that's why set B is not a empty set. Now set C is all x such that 5x minus 2 is equals to 0, where x belongs to natural number. इथेही तुम्हाला x ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची आणि x ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट केल्यानंतर ती व्हॅल्यू नॅचरल नंबर आहे का नाही हे आपल्याला चेक करायचे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन. 5x minus 2 is equals to 0. So we get 5x is equals to 2 and finally we get value of x as a 2 by 3. But this value of x 2 by 3 is not belongs to natural number. हे 2 by 3 natural number आहे का? नाही. So 2 by 3 is not a natural number. It is a rational number. Therefore, set C is a empty set. Set C or 2 by 3 is not a natural number, it is a rational. Therefore set C is empty set. Therefore set C हा काय तुमचा empty set आहे, because set contains 0 element, त्याच्यामध्ये एकही एलिमेंट नाहीये. because after finding the value of x, x ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड केल्यानंतर ती किती मिळाली आपल्याला 2/3. बट x हा काय सांगितलं त्यांनी? x is a natural number हवाय. But we know that 2 by 3 is not belongs to natural number. 2 by 3 is not belongs to natural number. That means 2 by 3 belongs to a rational number. तो rational number आहे, पण आपल्याला काय हवाय? तो natural number. तो आहे का? नाही. That means set is a empty set. This is our question number 3. Here also, इथे तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन विचारल्यानंतर whether the following sets are empty sets. So first of all, write all the set by using listing method and then decide whether they are finite set, infinite set, empty set or singleton set. Now last question from practice set 1.2 is write with the reasons which of the following sets are finite or infinite set. So first of all, tell me what is finite set and what is infinite set. So finite set means what? If set is a null set, if this is the most important statement, if set is a null set or number of elements in a set are countable or limited, that means set मधले element जर तुम्हाला count करता येत असतील, then the given set is a finite set. And what is infinite set? If number of elements in a set are unlimited or uncountable, जर set मध्ये element आपल्याला मोजता येत नसतील, that means uncountable असतील किंवा unlimited असतील, then the given set is a infinite set. But for finite set, remember one thing: if set is a null set, then it can also be a finite set. जरी set empty असता, then it is a finite set. Okay, so let's start with first example. Set A is a set of all x such that x is less than 10, where x is a natural number. आता इथे आपल्याला x च्या अशा व्हॅल्यू लिहायच्या लेस दॅन 10 आहेत, बट इट इज अ नॅचरल नंबर. लेस दॅन 10 इन्फायनाइट नंबर्स आहेत. पण कोणते हवेत आपल्याला? नॅचरल नंबर विच इज लेस दॅन 10. सो विच आर द नंबर्स are less than 10 but they are natural numbers? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 9 numbers are less than 10. That means number of elements in a set are countable. Set मधले element आपण count करू शकतो का? Yes. So there are 9 natural numbers less than 10. That means set is a finite set. So with reason, elements in a set are countable, therefore set is finite. Set A is a finite set. So every time first write the set in listing method and then decide whether the set is a finite or infinite. Okay. Now for set B is a set of all y such that y is less than -1. Y काय हवं आहे आपल्याला? The values of y's are less than -1, but y is an integer. But y काय हवं आहे? Integer. First of all, tell me what is integer. Integer contains all the positive numbers, all negative numbers, including 0. That means all positive numbers are up to infinite. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up to infinite. Negative numbers, they are starts from -1, -2, -3, -4. They are also up to infinite and also includes 0. Okay, so we have to write values of y less than -1, but they are integers. So we get -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -5, -8, and up to infinite. So there are infinite numbers or values of y less than -1. So number of elements in a set are अनलिमिटेड. आता सेट मधले एलिमेंट कसे आहेत? अनलिमिटेड. ते आपण काउंट करू शकतो का? -1 पेक्षा लहान असणारे नंबर इन्फिनिट आहेत. सो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन अ सेट आर अनलिमिटेड, देअरफॉर सेट बी इज ए इनफायनाइट सेट. म्हणून सेट बी हा काय तुमचा? इनफायनाइट सेट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Set C is set of students of class 9 from your school. Okay. आता एक्झाम्पल काय दिले? नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट इन स्टँडर्ड 9. आता आपल्या क्लास मध्ये जे काही नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट आहे, सपोज इन आवर क्लास देयर आर 40 स्टुडंट्स और 50 स्टुडंट्स. सो दे आर काउंटेबल. ते आपण ते काउंट करू शकतो. दॅट मीन्स सेट इज अ फायनाइट सेट. जर एखादे एलिमेंट एखाद्या सेट मध्ये एलिमेंट आपण काउंट करू शकतो, दॅट मीन्स सेट इज अ फायनाइट सेट. सो number of elements or number of students in class are countable. ते काय असतात? Countable. Therefore set C is a finite. Set C is a finite set. And consider the last example. Set up people from your village. Suppose there are 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 10,000 people in our village. That means they are also countable. Therefore, number of peoples in our village are countable. They are also countable. Therefore, set is a finite. म्हणून set हा काय? Finite set. And remaining 3 examples from question 4 is for homework, as well as practice set 1.2 is also for homework. So solve all the questions and submit it on our WhatsApp group. Okay. And last one more thing which is important: stay home, stay safe and keep practicing. Thank you.